I almost skipped this tool, but after testing it for 48 hours, I found something most reviews are not telling you. Let me guess, you've seen tools like this before. They promise automation, easy money, done-for-you systems, and most of the time, they disappoint. So when I came across InstantlyClaw Premium, I was honestly skeptical. But instead of guessing, I tested it. Because the truth is, most people trying to make money online struggle with complicated setups, too many tools, no clear system, or just wasting money on hype, and that's frustrating. What you really want is simple, a system that actually works, without spending weeks figuring everything out. So let's see if this does that. So, InstantlyClaw Premium is designed as a simplified automation tool, where you basically skip the hard parts and get a ready-to-use system. Sounds great on paper. But I wanted to see what actually happens when you use it. So here's exactly what I did. I logged in, set everything up, followed the steps, and within about 20 to 30 minutes, everything was running. Which is honestly faster than most tools I've tried. Here's what stands out: pre-built system, minimal setup, beginner-focused design, automation elements. It's clearly made for speed and simplicity. This is important. The tool works, but it doesn't bring traffic for you. And this is where most people fail. If you don't have traffic, you won't see results. Think of it like this: this tool is the engine, but you still need fuel, which is traffic. Without that, nothing moves. So if you're expecting, click a button and make money instantly, that's not going to happen. But if you combine it with traffic strategies, that's where it starts making sense. The creators behind this product have launched similar tools before, so this isn't their first project. That explains why the system feels polished. You'll see positive feedback on the sales page, and yes, some users are getting results. But again, those are people actually using it properly. Here's what I genuinely liked: fast setup, huge plus, simple dashboard, beginner-friendly, saves time, it removes a lot of confusion. Let's be real, no built-in traffic, upsells exist, not for advanced users, requires effort. This is not passive if you do nothing. The front end is low cost, but once you go through upsells, the total can increase. So just be aware before buying. Compared to other tools, easier than most, less technical, faster to launch, but it still relies on you to make it work. This is ideal if you're a beginner, you want a shortcut system, you don't like tech setups, you're doing affiliate marketing. Skip this. If you want instant results, you hate learning basics, you won't drive traffic, you expect passive income without work. So here's the honest truth: InstantlyClaw Premium is not a scam, but it's also not a magic solution. It's a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it. If you want to check it out for yourself, link is in the description. Go through the full details before buying. And only get it if you're actually going to use it properly.